Hello, I am Sticky. Have you ever looked at the ground and wondered, how did Earth, our entire planet, come to exist? Today, we'll journey back 13.8 billion years to find out. No complex words, just the cosmic story of home. It all started with nothing. No space, no time. Just nothing. Then, boom. $13.8 billion years ago, an infinitely tiny point of energy exploded. We call this the Big Bang. It wasn't a fiery blast like in movies. It was the birth of space itself, expanding faster than light. In less than a second, the universe was hotter than the sun's core, a thick soup of particles. Over 380,000 years, it cooled enough for atoms to form. Imagine, the first ingredients of everything, including you and me, were cooked right here. Gravity, space's invisible glue, pulled hydrogen atoms together. 200 million years post-bang, the first stars ignited. These giants burned bright and fast, exploding as supernovas. Their deaths scattered stardust, carbon, iron, oxygen, the building blocks of planets. Over billions of years, stardust clumped into galaxies. Our home? The Milky Way, a spinning pinwheel of 100 billion stars. We live in its quiet suburbs, far from the crowded center. 4.6 billion years ago, a gas cloud in the Milky Way collapsed. 99% of it formed our sun. The leftover 1% swirled like a cosmic carousel, a nursery for planets. Tiny grains of dust crashed and stuck together. Pebbles became boulders, boulders became mountains, until dozens of baby planets roamed the solar system. One would become Earth, but first, chaos. Disaster struck. A planet named Theia, as big as Mars, smashed into baby Earth. The impact was so violent, it melted Earth into a lava ball. Debris rocketed into space and slowly fused into our moon. For millions of years, volcanoes belched steam and gas. Earth cooled enough for rain, but these weren't gentle showers. Torrents fell for 20,000 years, filling basins to create the first oceans. In those ancient seas, chemistry became biology. Tiny organisms appeared near hot vents. They didn't breathe oxygen, they ate chemicals, but they changed everything. 2.5 billion years ago, microbes called cyanobacteria began exhaling oxygen. Slowly, they transformed the air from poison to breathable gas. Their fossilized remains, rocks called stromatolites, still found today. Earth's skin cracked into moving plates. Continents collided, forming supercontinents like Rodinia, then split apart, over and over. Mountains rose, valleys sank, Earth reshaped itself like cosmic Play-Doh. 700 million years ago, Earth froze solid. Snowball Earth. Later, life exploded. Fish, forests, dinosaurs ruled, until 66 million years ago, a city-sized asteroid hit Mexico. Winter fell, dinosaurs vanished, mammals inherited Earth. So, Earth's story spans 4.5 billion years, forged in stardust, sculpted by collisions, and painted alive by microbes. We humans, we've been here just 0.006% of that time. You're standing on a space rock that survived cosmic chaos. Every atom in you was made in a star. We're not just on Earth, we are Earth, dreaming of the stars. Stay curious.